look what I just found. A deadbolt pack for $10. But this one seems to not be the best quality. At the Home Depot, I was able to buy one for $10 on Black Friday of 2021. And this one, just look at that. It's literally gonna, this doesn't look like it's good. Plus it's made out of chemicals, so if it burns, and that's really bad. So you can just like this, see? Pretty bad. I wouldn't recommend you buying any locks. This is not going to secure a house. Or just go to the Home Depot or Walmart, buy something more secure. I'm never gonna buy this because it's just too cheap.